Hey guys, and welcome to today's video. And in today's video I'll be teaching you how to make a dress up game in Scratch. So what we'll be doing is like dressing up this cat. So there will be like we are gonna change the glasses, like we'll make the cat wear glasses, shoes, hats, and we can even change the cat's skin color, like its fur color, something like that. So first we will be going on our costumes. So I have written this normal here because when the flag is clicked, okay, we are going to do switch costume to normal, which is the starting costume, which will be like this. Now let's get started with like the art and all. So now let's duplicate and group. Then the first color I'll be doing is red. Let's ungroup. To this red. This two. And group again. And then let's do this. So mainly the thing that ungroup does is like if I did not ungroup this whole thing like this. Here if I did not ungroup, then the whole thing would have been red. That's fully red. So that's why we use ungroup, so we can select a portion of the part, and then we can further do it. So now the next thing, like we are going to be doing this as red cat. Then the next one, let's keep this. Let's keep it let's keep this as a yellow cat. Yeah, yellow cat. Now this already ungrouped for me somehow, but see 14. And also now Scratch has some new filters of where we can, like they were already there, but now next one we'll be making the cat gradient. Okay, so let's keep this as yellow cat. And then after that we'll be doing this as gradient cat. So these will be almost like all of our cat changing costumes, like those color changing one costumes. So yeah, I think this looks a pretty good shade. Then we can do the same one for this. And in case you want to do more costumes, you can do it. No one's stopping you for that. Nice. So now here we have all the costumes. So now the next thing what we'll be doing is drawing the things like this. We'll be taking a fill of, let's just say, there's a purple fill. Let's do green. This green is bright enough. Now I want to keep this above this much, a bit wider. Okay. And here's one trick for a perfect circle. You can just press shift and then you act like a drawing a circle. So currently you have a perfect circle. Just telling you a trick here. And let's do the font size of a marker. So the first thing what we'll do, I think let's make the circle a bit more wider. Yeah. So here it is, a bit wide circle. And then according to that we can change the size. As change. Wait 1 second. Boom. Change. color. Of the cat. Good. Now let's now continue coding this. So we are going to use a broadcast message like when the sprite is clicked, then it's going to broadcast message of change color. Okay. Now when we'll go here, then when I receive change color, then it's going to go next costume. Cool. Now it's actually working. Like whenever I'm clicking on this, then it will be next costume. Or actually we can do another thing, like the people who cannot like exactly click, like it can be, this is kind of also mobile friendly, but let's add some keys used in this. So we'll be going back to the events. Then there is when the space key. I'll be taking numbers, so when the 1 key is pressed, then it will do the next costume. Now as I'm pressing 1, it's rapidly changing its colors. Nice. So now let's just decrease the size to 95. Yeah, so little bit here. Decreasing that to 90. Yes, good. Now let's duplicate this, and then we'll be doing not change color. Okay, so this will be another one as change hat. Change the hat. Change the hat of the cat. Nice. So now good. Now when the spread is clicked, then it's going to broadcast change hat. Here we'll be going on the fashion section, and then we'll be taking this hat because this one looks pretty good. Now let's position this properly. And the first thing what we want as the costume is not this one. We have to do this. Remove this one, like the duplicate. Then we'll be renaming this from blank. So when the flag is clicked, it's going to switch costume to blank. Now when I receive this change hat, then it's going to do next costume. When I receive change hat, then it's going to do next costume, which will be going on the look section. Now look. Nice, right? 1 second, I think let's just keep this a little bit up. Yeah, I think the positioning is pretty good. Yeah, the cat looks pretty cute in this one, actually. So now, I just like kept it to the green flag. Now, the next thing what we'll be doing is like the shoes. Oops. Just change the shoes of this cat. Change the shoes of this cat. Oh, we're not going to do change. We'll be going to change shoes. Change shoes. So in this, actually, when we go on our fashion section, like our section, then here, let's go on the shoes, like it's right here. Then, boom. Now, this is when I receive shoes. So when I receive change shoes, then the next thing what it will be wanted to do is like going on the next costume. And we'll be also doing like, we're gonna duplicate this, delete this, and then writing here blank like we did before. So when the flag is clicked, it is going to switch costume to blank. Now let's see. It's actually pretty good. Let's just now do the positioning. Now, wow, this is good. Really like the shoes country. Now, we are now going to do the glasses. First, let's position the glasses. I mean the sprite for the glasses. Change the glasses. Or let's just do spectacles because people just do not confuse the people here. Oh, whoops. I think glasses only. So glasses. Or let's just do spectacles. Now let's keep this a little bit up. Now let's position this here. Now whenever we are doing change spectacles, when the spectacles are do, then it will do change spectacles, and then go on the fashion section. Then here it is the spectacles, like glasses. Oops, actually I think let's do this. And then now let's position this over here. That looks like a nerdy cat. Wait, okay, this looks weird. Sorry, Robert. You have to. Now we want like next thing here as a blank costume like we did for all, because then in the starting it will be blank. When the flag is clicked, it's going to be blank. Now yeah, so when I receive this, then when I receive change spectacles, then it's always going to do next costume. Now we are not going to stop here. We are going to here we'll be writing things as nerdy cat. No. Oops. Nerdy. Nice. Because of those glasses, it's a nerdy cat. Then let's do here star cat. Because this cat is a star. Now the next one it is adoring cat. Now 3, 2, 1. Let's see. My shoes is perfect. Nerdy cat, star cat, adoring cat. Change color. Oh yeah, we totally forgot one thing. The numbers for the next one, like when this is the fourth one. And the 4 key is pressed, then it will do next costume. Now let's see. This things change very fast. Nice. Now number 3. So this is 4, this will be 3. And then let's do this as Next costume. Now let's check. This 3. Nice. 4. Change is good. 1. Also good. Now let's see for the 2. When this is done, 2, then it's gonna go. Next costume. Easy. Yeah, nice. Now let's do this. Nice. Now let's add some sounds, or let's just first do a backdrop. Windows. That's bedroom number 1. Nice. Now let's add some sounds. Let's go in the sound section and we'll be searching. This one thing is the chill. Yeah, I like this one. So when the flag is clicked, it's forever going to the place. Dance, chill out until done. So looks like that is all for today's video, and don't forget to subscribe and like this video, and in case you have any doubts you can put that in the comment section. And here's one final thing I just wanted to say, that this project link I'll be sharing it and the link will be in the description. So yes, thank you for watching. I'll meet you in the next one.